Let's fill out the Oklahoma boat bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling or buying a boat in this state, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale requirements. First, let's talk about notarization. This state requires a notarized manufacturer's statement of origin. So make sure you have that document properly notarized before moving forward. Next, when it comes to transferring ownership, you'll need to complete an application for a certificate of title for a boat or outboard motor. This is a key step in making the transfer official, so don't skip it. And if there's a lien holder involved, keep in mind that your title will be sent directly to your lien holder. So plan accordingly and make sure you're aware of that process before you finalize the sale. Those are the verified requirements for this state: notarized manufacturer's statement of origin, the title application for a boat or outboard motor, and understanding that a lien holder will receive the title if one is on record. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.